And God said, "Let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters, and let it divide the waters from the waters." And God made the firmament and divided the waters which were under the firmament from the waters which were above the firmament. And it was so. And God called the firmament heaven, and the evening and the morning were the second day. And the funny thing is, folks, they've been trying to damage our firmament for a very long time. Being in Southern California, it's nice because we're going to see all these rockets that hit the firmament, right? And I don't know, God has pushed me to film these, you know what I mean? I caught it on live, you know what I mean? In front of a local store I was coming out of, and I was watching it live, you know? And I really didn't know where the firmament was, but with this rocket, it showed 100% proof where the firmament was. And it's beautiful and it's amazing, folks. So you ever watch like these rockets that fly up, and they say that, oh yeah, they're like Navy missiles, right? And they fire them up, they're like testing them, and they're supposed to be hitting other rockets, but they don't. You guys, I definitely work on missiles in the military, and we have fired missiles against other missiles, and they hit each other, and it's nothing like what we see here in Southern California when they launch these. You could actually see that when these rockets fly up and they hit to a certain point, they're not moving anymore.
Hits the dome and curves and starts falling down. So I just want to put that out there. You know, that's kind of my perspective on it. Over the years, I became a believer in the firmament, and I believe this is pretty much proof that there is something keeping us from reaching. See, hits the firmament and falls.
We have come to define significance as I'm special and everything else isn't. Religions thinking they're special, cultures thinking they're special, individuals thinking they're special. The top 4 ingredients in life, in your body, top 4 atoms in order: hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, nitrogen. Those 4 atoms. Do you know what the top ingredients are in the universe? The top 4 chemically active atoms in the universe? Hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, nitrogen.
I am the universe.
Yes! So upon learning that you're not special because you do not contain special ingredients, is the same fact that includes the idea that while we live in this universe, the universe lives within us.
Now you see, disinfo shills will always give you half-truths. Because if they give you disinfo 100% of the time, you will call their bluff. Now you see, Neil deGrasse Tyson is an agent, but he's actually right. You are part of the 4 elements that God created for this world. And the other 4 elements to make up this world is earth, air, fire, and water. But for you, your elements are oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen. You are what makes up the universe, because you are the center of God's universe, and that's how special you are. And if you ever listen to these shills and disinfo agents, they'll tell you that you are not special because you're only a speck in this full, expanding, never-ending universe that they can explore for light years and light years away. You are the center of God's universe.